With reach-in technology, the size of the hardware is not necessarily what matters. It's the framework, the code that we've written that's proprietary that works on our devices. So in these examples, you can have a little unit that's the size of this, or perhaps something in a server rack size. This is our actual iPet companion for the shelter application. This shows the camera's actually in the box, whereas these ones, the camera would be outside of the box. And we can run it on something as simple as a Raspberry Pi, or on higher end units to achieve higher quality video. So in this example of how the technology works, we're going to use one of our units that was made for the shelter application with the camera built into it, and show you how easy it is for the technology to be installed and to work. Basically, on the back of this particular unit, all we have is an Ethernet port, which is where you plug in your internet. As soon as you plug in your internet and you plug in the power to the unit actually phones to our servers, makes a connection, and establishes the video, and you're online. As far as controlling things, this is a RF plug. It plugs into wall outlet, and anything that you can plug into a wall outlet will be remotely controlled from this unit to the RF plug in real time over the internet. So not only is the video from the camera going to the individual in real time, but when that user clicks the button to fire let's say a lamp on in their house, or this is a laser toy for playing with cats, once they push that button on their browser, this unit fires this, turns it on, and actuates whatever you have plugged into it. So you can control anything as long as it has an electrical circuit to it. Another feature of the technology is in this particular application that we've been showing you, the camera is built into the unit, but that's not the case. It doesn't have to be the case with everything. We have separate cameras. We can use USB high definition cameras, IP cameras that move and actuate so that users can actually control them in real time through the web, panning and tilting, zoom. So it's not limited to a particular camera. It's any kind of camera. The video, we can process the video from it. And just to show some extra plugs, this is the one we had showed you before. Here's a couple other things. So we work with different RF plugs. It's not like it's structured to only one plug. And the technology goes beyond RF. There's USB, there's wireless, there's Bluetooth, and other technologies that we can transmit to turn and control things.